The RL-DBS digital baby scale comes fully assembled and includes a 120 volt or 230 volt AC adapter. During this process, be sure not to discard any packaging material. If the scale needs to be returned for any reason, it must be properly repacked in its original carton. Place the unopened box in an open area with ample room. Carefully remove the scale from its packaging material. Place the scale on a flat, sturdy surface. Plug the AC adapter into the back of the scale. Connect to power to begin weighing. The RL-DBS is also capable of running on 4 AA batteries if a power source is not available. Inserting batteries. Open the battery chamber cover. Insert batteries into the battery chamber. Ensure the batteries are aligned according to the diagram in the battery chamber. Close the battery chamber cover and tighten the thumb screw. Your scale is now ready to use. Please refer to the manual for operation instructions.